Traditionally, in order to gather all this information, a geologist would go out on site with a compass and measure the angle and the orientation of every defect or joint in the rock mass. So the risks that geologists face when they go on site are quite significant in terms of rockfall and debris and so on falling down on them. Aurecon's developed the new digital rock mass mapping tool from drone photogrammetry. It's going to assist the geologist to complete the data capture much more accurately and much more safely. The software uses drones to take the digital photographs of the site, which then creates a three-dimensional model. The model is then used as an input to the digital rock mapping program, which uses a series of algorithms to identify the planes and the joints and extract that information from the model. The tool was born out of our work at a site called Dean's Head. Now, Dean's Head suffered badly during the Christchurch earthquakes. It's a large cliff and attached landslide area. We were flying the sites every week. We were comparing movement and monitoring the health and safety on site. The work that we used the drone on was we really honed our skills in creating the three-dimensional models. The drone was hugely important and gave us the ability to really accurately map that site. The technology enables us to be able to see the site in a virtual reality environment. We're able to put the virtual reality goggles on and fly around a cliff face in a way that we've never been able to before. We can really interrogate the data more closely, and you don't have to go to site to be able to do that.